Hi, I'm Tom Houtenbrink with MarineMax, and today we're going to walk through the Azimut S7. This is one of my favorite boats. Come on aboard.
The garage can hold just over a 3-meter tender as well as a 2-seat wave runner. The passerelle's right at the top step here, and we enter the cockpit with a large sunpad aft, an expandable carbon fiber table. What's amazing is the weight of this thing. It's just so light. Kenyon grill off on the starboard side, as well as a little garbage can, and an ice maker rounds out the grilling station. We head upstairs on the carbon fiber spiral staircase. Aft we have that large sunpad and seating area, and of course the forward helm with custom-made seats. The carbon fiber mast reminds us that the whole superstructure of the boat is carbon. Class-leading sunpad, electric bimini top, and another incredible carbon fiber table round out the exterior spaces. Inside, those tables are high-low and convert to a large table. Miele appliances round out the galley, and all the electronics are top of the line, including the Raymarine Platinum package. Hardtop convertible, we can open that up and let the sun shine in. Largest master in her class. Little translucent shower door for you. L-shaped over-under bunk and side by side. They share this head. And then we head up to the VIP, which has 2 large windows that afford beautiful water views.
And that's our tour of the Azimut S7. Thanks for coming with me, and if you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the like button. Have a great day. I'm Tom Houtenbrink with MarineMax.